This is Cupra. She can transform. This is Wolfram. He can light up. This is Hydrogenio. He can fly. This is Argentum. She can become a mirror. This is Ferro. He's very strong. The compass.
Oh, here's a screw. Here's another screw. And a nut. Our absent-minded professor is always losing his screws. Is that a screw? How strange. The professor dropped them here too? What's that light?
Koopy, there you are!
Hido!
What happened? How did you end up here?
I got lost and couldn't find my way home!
Don't worry, it's not far. I'll take you back.
So, first you found the screws, right?
Yes.
Then you left and walked for a while?
Which way did you walk?
First straight, then right, then straight again. Then left and straight again. Then another right? No, left, I think, or... I don't remember.
And then you found screws again?
Yes, I ended up back where I started. And I got scared.
Strange. Why didn't you bring any screws back? Where is your proof?
What proof? Koopy lost her way, and if not for Hido...
What if it happens again? What if it happens to someone else? Professor! We need your help.
What's going on?
We could lose our way, get lost, and disappear.
Professor, save us! We could get lost. Koopy did, and she couldn't find her way back home.
How awful! Koopy, are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you.
The lab really is very big. To make sure you don't get lost, you'll need a map and a compass.
A compass? What's that? Look, the needle stopped.
There are invisible forces that influence everything in nature. Our planet has a magnetic field, which consists of lines connecting the North and South poles. Magnetic forces travel along these lines, so the magnetic needle in a compass will always point north. If you have a compass and a map with north, south, east, and west on it, then you'll never get lost.
This compass is huge, though.
Ah, but with the help of science, I can create some real magic. In the morning, we'll head over to my microscope and I'll make you a microscopic compass.